Hi friends, welcome back to Radha's Food Court. Today I'm back with another biscuit recipe. Yes, a multigrain atta biscuit. We need 1 cup of multigrain atta. I have taken Ashirwad multigrain atta here. Half cup of powdered sugar and 80 gram unsalted butter. You can even use salted butter. If you are using salted butter, you can avoid the salt. I'm using some pinch of salt here. Mix it coarsely. Now we need a half cup of milk and we need to mix it slowly. Finally, we will get a consistency like chapati dough. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's divide the dough into small portions. We'll place it inside a parchment paper or butter paper. We'll roll it slowly using a roller, like how you make chapatis or rotis. Now we'll take a cookie cutter or anything available at your home, and we will take the pieces and put it into a baking tray. Let's make some small holes using a toothpick or a fork. Transfer this to a preheated oven and bake it until you get a golden color. Let's see another method of baking. Let's bake it in a kadai. Preheat the kadai for 5 to 10 minutes and take a idli mold and place our cookies inside that. Let's cook the butter cookies for 30 to 40 minutes. After baking, allow it to cool completely. Then only you will get the crispiness of the cookies. This is our oven baked cookies version. Now let's see how it is in kadai version. Kadai version also came out crispy and baked perfectly. So don't wait. Try this multigrain atta biscuit version and let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching Radhu's Food Court. Have a nice time.